So this is the Griptec pulley for the SOS Speed Supercharger. We use this pulley on pretty much every supercharger kit we install, and we carry it in the store. It is probably one of the best pulleys money can buy, and in this video we're going to show you a super easy way to install it yourself. Once you've got the old pulley off, which comes off fairly easy, this is tip number one. You want to position the supercharger with the woodruff key straight up and down. The hub is going to attach to the supercharger, and then the pulley bolts to it with those Allens. It bolts on right there. It makes it easier to change if you want to change the boost level later. You want to up the boost, you take the Allen bolts out and change the pulley. And it's much, much better than the conventional pulley. This is my tip. You're going to screw one of the Allen bolts in that comes with your kit. So you're going to cinch that down. It doesn't have to be really tight, but what you're going to do is hold that with some vice grips. So this is basically the position you're going to work from right here. And again, pay attention to that woodruff key right there. That way you know that that is going to line on there. It's tight in here, but it does fit. So pay attention to this hub. This long side here is going to go to the supercharger. So the long side goes in first. So it is going to go on the supercharger like this, and then the pulley is going to bolt over the top. So those Allen bolts, I would use the blue Loctite to cinch those down just so they don't back off. On this angle here, you can see that unique texture and coating that they put on that pulley. It makes a huge difference, not only for higher boost applications. You can get away with less belt tension, which is better for the overall system and much better for idler pulleys. They're in the LHT store, lhtperformance.com. We have them in 3-inch, 3.2, 3.4, and 3.6. This fits the 1200 and the 1220 supercharger from SoS Speed. We use the green HD belt. Now there's a few belt options. I would run a better belt than factory stock supercharger belt. This will give you a little bit more traction, a little bit more longevity, but that should solve all your boost and pulley slipping issues. All right guys, hopefully you find this informative and interesting. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, check out the LHT store. We'll see you on the next video.